BSV makes more things possible.
AI is definitely the buzzword of the year, and this is exactly what startup incubator AI Forge is focused on. What many people don't realize, though, is that AI and blockchain technology go hand in hand, and this is what we are going to learn about in today's masterclass. Tell me what the purposes of this masterclass here today at AI Forge.
Okay, well, there are obviously two huge powerhouses of technology, blockchain and AI, and it's my belief that actually there should be a confluence of those two technologies. Why? Because first of all, there's a lot of, sort of fake news and all the various negatives in terms of AI, and I think blockchain sorts all those issues out. But more importantly, investors want to hear that. So in terms of valuation, in terms of strengthening these companies, so if we can get a few of those guys awake to the idea of using blockchain as part of their solution, that's a better story when we go out to investors.
Nav Kumar and Richard Boase were the two expert presenters leading the masterclass, both providing their perspectives on how the AI Forge startups can benefit from blockchain technology.
Blockchain can improve AI in multitude of ways, as we saw in terms of use cases, where what people can do is they can own their own data. But in this case, what you're doing is you have a handle of your data. Depending on the service, you could actually share your data for AI to then sort of process your data in a privacy-preserving way, to then make recommendations that are something that you want to consume. So you are in control of what is being recommended to you. So yeah, that's how you could actually combine blockchain and DID with AI.
My new catchphrase is everything's an NFT. The map is an NFT, the cars on the map are the NFT, the people are NFTs, somewhat controversially. But more importantly, all of your work products could potentially be NFT. The output of AI can be NFTs. And the advantage of this is in a sort of Bitcoin-centric web or an internet built on Bitcoin, everything that you produce can be tokenized and owned and transferred and traded. So that would be an NFT. And then that just extends so far on to executable files and tokens and stuff like that. So really the possibilities are endless, and that becomes super exciting.
There were 33 startups actively participating in the masterclass, both in person and virtually. They had a number of thoughtful questions for the presenters and nothing but positive feedback to share.
It was amazing actually today with the masterclass with Nav and Richard. We had great insights from blockchain and AI. From that masterclass, I think we got the insights from how blockchain can be implemented for right commerce with the data sets from the road behaviors as well as from the trucks and vans.
I think that AI is going to shape the search of the future for marketing, but blockchain is probably going to empower search and allow us to track where the information is coming from. So that was for me the biggest learning and takeout from today. Other than that, I think the privacy that blockchain will give customers and their own data is something which customers don't always understand. Because of all the cryptocurrency and some other blockchain things, there's a fear around it, but actually it's all about security. And I think it's really important to change the narrative from fear to this is actually a safe place.
I think in terms of the expertise that we've been provided in terms of like the usage of blockchain, there were some additional insights that we took specifically on the side of bringing down costs. Because in order to be a successful startup, we have to justify like even 10 times the level of improvement, not only marginal improvements compared to regular new businesses, but we wanted to bring down costs for transactions and at the same time leverage blockchain in order to have like a faster platform in order to do all the processing, much more efficient, and reduce any levels of risks for both consumers and financial players.
The message here today is that it's all about the data. AI is the brain and blockchain is the backbone. Thank you so much for watching our highlights of AI Forge's AI and Blockchain Masterclass. This is Becky Legiro for CoinGeek.com.
BSV is more than another chaotic commodity craze. BSV blockchain can do more than just be a crypto investment. It can help you get more out of your games, share more of your art. BSV makes more things possible.